Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. Today it is Thursday, October the 31st. I cannot believe it is October the 31st. It is officially the last day of Vlogtober of 2024. 14 out of 14 vlogs. I really hope you guys enjoyed following me along for some vlogs during the month of October. I wasn't sure I was going to be able to make it happen, but I was able to pull it off. So I'm really happy about that. Good preparation for Vlogmas. But I've enjoyed doing Vlogtober this year. I know it's looked a little bit different because my life has really changed so much in the last few months just with, my other jobs that I have now. But I still am happy that I was able to get vlogs out for you guys 14 different days. And it's been awesome. I really enjoyed it. So I hope you guys have as well. But we're going to go ahead and do one more little vlog to end things out. So first up, I figured I would go ahead and give you guys an update on my weight loss / health journey or whatever. If you guys saw my Vlogtober from a few weeks ago, I actually think you guys saw it 3 weeks ago today, I think. I'd have to go back and check. But I know 3 weeks ago today, I officially started my wellness journey back on WW, better known as Weight Watchers, and it's actually been really, really successful. I can't believe I pulled this off, but today was my third weigh-in since I started. Guys, it's been amazing. It's only been 3 weeks, but I've seen so many awesome victories. I've seen victories on the scale, and I've seen some really great non-scale victories in 3 weeks. And it's showed me, it makes me kind of proud of myself that I've actually stuck with it for 3 weeks. I've not gone off the rails. I've not said I'm done, whatever. I'm just going to eat as much as I want. I've not done that. I've really stuck to the program, and I've seen really great results. And I feel like it is sustainable. Is it easy? No, it's not easy at all, because back to what I was eating 3 weeks ago and how much I was eating 3 weeks ago compared to now, plus the foods I was going towards more, gravitating more towards 3 weeks ago. I've not sworn anything off. I've still had, desserts. I've still had chips, but it's just been so much less than what I normally would eat. Of the things that I would gravitate towards, candy. I want a snack, I'm going to have a piece of candy. Or, I'm going to have, 2 York peppermint patties or something like that. Those are the things I gravitated towards with snacks. But now, I'm not saying I don't have those things, but I don't have nearly as many of those things, because if I spend all my points on that, I'm just not going to be able to eat that much else during the day. So I'm gravitating and switching a lot of that stuff out. I might have a dessert, but I'm going to have, for snacks hummus. That's something I've barely ever eaten in years. But I've been really enjoying hummus. It's really good. So things like hummus and deli turkey, cheese, things like that I didn't typically gravitate towards. I'm tending to gravitate towards those now. And it's really been awesome. I've been enjoying it. And so, yeah. Everything in moderation. This plan still has allowed me to go out and eat and stuff. This Sunday we went to Red Lobster, and it was a lot of points. I had 2 of those Cheddar Bay biscuits, but I don't regret it at all. I use my weekly points for it, and that's what I really like about WW is it just allows me to have a balance, but also it encourages me to make better choices, and it's working. It's really working. First up, let's not even talk about the weight loss, because one of the main things I'm so excited about, just because I've been eating less of junk food. I've not cut anything out. I've not gone on keto. I've not cut anything out, but I'm eating so much less junk food. I literally feel smaller. My clothes a couple weeks ago, my clothes were physically tight. It literally hurt to wear most of my clothes, to the point where I was going to need to go buy bigger clothes. But the fact that I've just been eating better the last couple of weeks, I've literally felt my stomach feel a lot smaller than it was 3 weeks ago. And I, don't feel uncomfortable. I don't feel uncomfortable in my clothes now. It's crazy. It's literally crazy how much better it feels just eating, better the last 3 weeks. The scale victory, I have lost 6.6 pounds over the last 3 weeks. I'm really excited about that. That's been awesome. 6.6 pounds over 3 weeks is phenomenal. And I haven't exercised much at all. And that's the thing. I need to build on this and start exercising. I know when you're losing weight, the most important thing is your diet, but it definitely isn't going to hurt me to exercise more. I'm behind the desk a lot with work, and so it's hard to make the time to exercise, but I know it's necessary, and it's something I really need to get into the habit of doing. And so I'm going to add that on, take it to the next level. I've done really good with my eating. I've not really slipped up with my eating at all. I've not had any nights where I'm just I'm done and just ate 1,000 calories of junk food, because guys, I'm sure I've done that before. But I've not done that. And so I've stuck with it, and I'm going to keep sticking with it. And I want to add upon it with exercise. So I'm really excited. I'm feeling good about this. So, yeah, and you guys have followed me along for a lot of this. I mean, I've been vlogging. I started vlogging in October during Vlogtober, and you guys have been like right along with me in this journey. So, I'm excited to continue and to see where things progress. Right, so I'm going to show you guys a super easy recipe for goulash. This is something that is so easy to make. We make it quite a bit. It's really good, and it's like literally takes hardly any time, especially if you have your meat like already done in the freezer. You can literally throw this together in like 15 minutes. It's that easy. So yeah, we tend to make ours with the Morningstar grillers because my mom and grandma don't eat meat and my dad doesn't like goulash, so the rest of us don't really care if it's meatless. I honestly don't mind the taste of the grillers, so we use that for goulash. You could totally use ground beef or ground turkey. It would be awesome as well, so you need some of that. We usually use 2 patties, so 2 patties worth of grillers, 2 patties worth of ground beef, or 2 patties worth of ground turkey. You're going to need about half a box of elbow macaroni noodles, and then you're going to need 2 cans of diced tomatoes or stewed tomatoes. Now, if you are using diced tomatoes, go ahead and add in onion flakes. If you're using the stewed tomatoes, it already has those kind of spices in it, so you don't need the onion flakes. And then finally, salt and pepper. So basically all you're going to do here, it's literally this easy, is you're going to get the 2 cans of tomatoes and open them, and then you're going to fill up one of those cans with water. So 2 cans of tomatoes, 1 can of water. Go ahead and put that together and add in your onion flakes. Let that come to a boil and then add in your pasta and let that cook for about 10 minutes. And then while it's doing that, go ahead and get your meat ready. So we thaw it out in the microwave and then let it cook in the air fryer just to make the meat a little more crispy. So let it do that, let the pasta cook, and let the meat crisp, and then mix them both together, and that's it. Guys, it is so good, so simple. We usually just have ours with a couple of pieces of bread. So good. Yeah, it's like a comfort food. It's something I've grown up eating, and it's just delicious. Guys, here's our new addition that we got to the house this summer. My parents put this deck in. We've been talking about this seriously for like as long as we've lived here, and I was like 5. Seriously, they've always said, oh, it'd be so nice to have a deck on the back of the house or whatever. And a handyman from my dad's work, he came and he did this, and it is amazing. Seriously, it is so nice. So yeah, my parents stained it a couple of weeks ago, and it just looks amazing. So also, I love that we got these lights up here, and when it's dark, I even like it more, honestly, when it's dark, because you come out here and it's cooler, but it's not pitch dark because you have the lights. I love it. So yeah, my mom, she's really good at decorating and stuff, so she got these like fall outdoor pillows here. We got like our table and stuff, some decorations, and they got these chairs as well. I think these came from Big Lots, actually. I think they got them on sale or something. These are really nice chairs. Oh, another thing, another non-scale victory. I don't have to worry about reaching the weight limit to fit in these chairs. It's only 6.6 pounds, but I was to the point where I was pretty much like almost to the place where I was not going to be able to like fit in these chairs with the weight limit. So yeah, that was another like realization that I needed to do something. But we got these chairs, and they're really comfortable. They're like rocking chairs. They're so nice. I love them. I don't know if you guys remember, got this like outdoor table from Freebie Flow. So we put that to good use. It's just like a really fun place. It's a cool place to like hang out, look at the view. It's beautiful. We have such a nice backyard, so it's amazing. I'm gonna take a seat and wrap up this vlog and wrap up Vlogtober 2024. It is windy right now. I don't know if it's about to storm or what. But yeah, guys, this has been so much fun. I've loved getting to do Vlogtober this year with y'all. Getting to just take you guys along for days in the life and show you what I've been getting up to and things like that. It was different this year, like I said, because of you know, like my job changes and stuff. Life, it's just been a crazy year. There's been a lot of stuff, like a lot of changes, stuff I've not even like talked to you guys about, but just a lot of changes. And so it's been different. Vlogtober has definitely been different. Like normally I would have done this like 5 days a week, but just with how everything's been, I'm glad I was able to even do it 3 days a week, and glad that we got to keep the Vlogtober tradition alive for another year. Anyways, guys, so I got this video. I really hope y'all did enjoy this, and I will catch you guys on my next vlog. I'm not exactly sure when that will be. It's not going to be 3 a week for November, but I'm sure there will be vlogs at some point, because November, we're getting into the holiday season. So, I mean, it's coming. There's going to be fun stuff to share. So, anyways, guys, I'll catch y'all on my next video. Thank you guys so much for joining.